So, yeah, so he's still alive. It's Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. And he's actually, believe it or not, he's actually moving his head. He's actually alive. I know it doesn't look like he doesn't look like much, but whoop. See, he just shook his head. Yeah, he's actually shaking his whole head now. A little bit, so here he goes. Yeah. He's opening his mouth. There we go. Some activity. Yeah, buddy. It's been about, this is the second morning, so it's been like a day and a half. I think I'll have to, he's still alive. I think I'm gonna have to call somebody. Let's see if we can get him into like if I can find someone who can invest the time to take care of him. So there might be hope for him yet, so wish me luck. That's the update.